Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. This week, instead of posting a new adventure on account of the fact that I broke my foot on stage in front of 400 people, if you don't know the story already, go back and watch our last video. Instead, we're gonna post sort of a compilation video of our 2015 honeymoon to Paris, Venice, and London. We apologize in advance for the video quality. We only had our cell phones to film on at this time, so it's nowhere near where we're at right now. It's a little bit of pictures, there's a little bit of video, there's a little bit of Disneyland Paris, and a lot of Harry Potter, so enjoy. While you're here, make sure you hit the subscribe button to see more videos, hit the bell for notifications, follow us at Kyle Andrea Channel on Instagram. Now enjoy our crazy adventure through Europe.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
So legitimately, we've now been evacuated off two Disney rides. Two rides completely broke down and we walked out.
Oh yeah, and they took us behind the scenes, like behind everything.
Yeah, we came out an emergency exit that was on a road for the employees.
Yeah, it was absolutely ridiculous.
So yeah.
It's been weird.
And then we went on Haunted Mansion for the second time and it stalled four times while we were on the ride. Not that time we didn't get evacuated. So yeah, so far Disney Paris, we've been evacuated off two rides, which you think would
in
make
the span of like how
3
many
hours. 3 hours.
Okay. That happens every day. It's just weird that it happened twice in a row, pretty much.
So yeah, that's that.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there Just call on me to get you nowhere. Just call on me to get you nowhere. Just call on me to get you nowhere. Get you nowhere. Just call on me, baby, I'll be there. Just call on me, baby, just right there. I'll be there. I'll just call on me, baby, I'll be there. I'll be there. Call me, baby, just right there. I'll be there. And so remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you nowhere. Just call on me to get you nowhere. Just call on me to get you nowhere. Get you nowhere. Just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just call on me. Just let me know and I will be. Just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just let me know and I will be. Just call on me.
The colors and were taken from the Griffin